When the connection is gone and help is far away, every minute can be decisive. Hi, I'm Veronica, and I created Last Signum, your offline survival expert. Works without internet, tells you what to do wherever you are. Repairs, food, medicine, shelter, water, everything at hand, even without a network. Last Signum, when the last signal fades, we stay with you. Last Signum is your autonomous survival companion. It stays with you when the world goes silent. When communication fails, people are cut off from life-saving information. That's why Last Signum works fully offline, delivering expert survival guidance anytime, anywhere. It's autonomous, packed with knowledge, and gives smart, actionable advice. It searches locally for answers and turns them into clear steps you can follow. Built on open-source tech for speed, reliability, and total autonomy. From first aid to repairs and finding resources, it's ready for any emergency. It bridges the communication gap, boosts confidence, and keeps your data private. Join us, contribute, invest, or follow our journey toward a safer, more resilient future. Here's how it works under the hood. Your browser talks to the backend, which searches the local knowledge base, builds the right prompt, and runs it through local AI models, all inside a secure Docker environment. No internet needed. Let's start simple. A clear survival question. The assistant locks onto the right answer, fully offline. Next, another direct question, to confirm it consistently retrieves accurate information offline. Now I'm testing synthesis. The AI searches across multiple files, connects the dots, and adds relevant details to the answer. And here's the final check, a question way outside survival. Watch how it refuses, staying laser-focused on its mission. Just hit the GitHub icon, and you'll jump straight into the source code, with a step-by-step guide to get Last Signum running and ready to test. Remember, this is an offline demo. For real emergencies, get professional assistance whenever you can.